Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Edge 40, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So before we get started, you'll want to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box. Now, if you can't find it in there, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. And once you have either one of those, you will want to pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device, so you will need to take off your case if you have one on. And as you can see, the tray is located right here at the bottom. Now the tray will have a little hole in there, so you want to obviously insert the tool, push it in, there we go. And as you can see, it comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to grab it and take it out. Now on the tray we have only space for a single SIM card on the top side right here. If you flip it over, you will see that this has like the weird X on here, and it is filled out a little bit in this portion right here. Therefore you cannot place any kind of card on this tray. As you can see, it is not gonna clip in here fully. Now if I flip it over, there we go, the card goes in fully onto the tray. It's completely flush on the tray and also doesn't fall out. This is the only place you can put in your SIM card. Once you have done so, insert the tray back into your device and the card should start working right away. So let's see. Now for some reason it's still giving me that it didn't detect the SIM. Let's try to take it out and put it back in. No SIM found. Literally when I took it out, it found the SIM card. This message is from obviously the SIM provider whenever you insert the SIM card into a new device. So it found it when I took it out. Fantastic. Oh, there we go. Now the second time around, as you can see, it automatically gives me the LTE, so it already found reception. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.